Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Anbernic RG556 using your device's lock screen pattern. If you really cannot remember your lock screen pattern, in such case the only solution to your problem would be performing a factory reset operation using the recovery mode. I will also leave the other solution for the end of the video. This solution will work if you do remember your lock screen pattern, but your console simply won't accept it. So in order to perform a factory reset operation in your device, hold down the power button to make the power menu appear on your screen. Then hold your just select the power off option and let your device turn off. Once your device turns off, let it stay like this for about 5 to 10 seconds until it fully switches off. And then what we want to try to do is access the recovery mode. And why am I saying try to do is because it's kind of tricky on this device. So what you want to do is hold down this power button for about like 2 seconds before the logo appears on the screen, and then immediately start pressing this home button right here along with the power button, and your device should turn on without emitting any sounds, any haptics this time. So let's try to do this. Hold down the power button, right, 1, 2, 3, and then hold down the home button, and now wait for this robot Android to appear on the screen. Now once you see this Android, you're halfway there. Basically you just went through the hardest part of the process. Now all you have to do is hold down the power button and short press the volume up button with it. Now you are in the recovery mode. You can navigate here using volume up and down buttons, and to select an option, press the power button. What we want to select is the wipe data / factory reset option. So navigate to it on the list, then press power button and then confirm your choice. And once the data wipe is finished, select reboot system now and press power button to reboot your console and let your device reboot. Now this operation will erase all data from your device. So if you can back it up somewhere else, but I promised the other solution to this issue in case you do remember your device's lock screen pattern, but your device won't let you access your system with it. Most commonly this happens because of some third-party app interference, some third-party app or some background activity basically just affects that your lock screen behaves. And in such case, what we want to do is try to access our device through the safe mode. And to access the device through the safe mode, you have to hold down the power button to make the power menu appear on the screen, then hold your finger down on the power off option and then click OK to let your device reboot into the safe mode. Now let's wait for a while. And once you are in the safe mode, try entering your pattern once again, and in case you succeed, before trying to figure out which kind of application could have caused this issue, swipe down to swipe down to security in settings, and in security menu go to screen lock, provide your pattern once again, and then either select none or swipe option. Tap delete, and then just reboot your device into normal mode by pressing the power button for a while, select restart, and let your device reboot. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.